I just cannot understand the thought processes that gave away the country's best jet engine design. License-built versions of the 17 produced in China as the Shenyang J5, and that is one of the things which is the only MiG-17 flying in Europe. Low, slow pass. Brilliant for the photographers. And really did get exported to quite a few countries. Even though it had 223 and a 37mm cannon, same armament as the MiG-15, this was very lethal in afterburner now.